16. First thing is this is in metric. So when I start my document, I need to make sure I change my units. If you're using the desktop version, it will be here. If you're using the application, it will be the little 3-dot or 3-line icon at the top right. Make sure you check the ruler. So coming back to the model, looking at the front view, I can see if I'm looking, or if I'm imagining this from the front, I would see this rectangle with a half a circle on the end. And I would also see something very similar going off the other side. Then I'd also want to visualize, okay, I wouldn't see the inside plane here, so that would be basically a hidden line. I'm going to approach this as rectangles with circles attached. So half a circle, rectangle, rectangle, half a circle. So starting my sketch on the front view. Let's just make the entire circle. Or sorry, the entire rectangle. And then that middle piece. And then I'm imagining the 2 arcs on the end. I could start with circles, but I'm actually just going to grab the 3-point arc tool. So click, click, and come out until I get the tangent constraint. Same thing on this side. Basically, the center point of this arc should be the midpoint of the verticals. Alright, and then I would have 2 circles. I'm going to go ahead and add a equal constraint to those. And I believe I'm done. Now I just need to add dimensions. So I'm ignoring the depth dimensions because I sketched from front view. You don't see depth from front view. And so I have a radius of 25. The TYP means typical. My diameter here is 18, 3 circles at 18 that go all the way through. Then 36, 24, 12. So let's do this. That's actually going to change all of them since they are tangent to the rectangle. If this one doesn't look like it got dimension. Yeah, it is. Okay, the reason it's grayed out is because it's over constrained or already defined. Now, let's place the rest of our dimensions. $12. 24. All right, now we are ready to start extruding. So again, think of your extrudes as different depths. So how many depths do we have? We've got this thickness, so that's 1. We've got the overall thickness, 2. We've got these 2, 3, and then we got the notch in the middle with a negative space, so that's 4. I'm going to treat this as if it were a complete solid at first, so I can cut away material from the back side. This front side I'm just going to treat as one solid, so let's start here. That's 16, and since it's symmetrical through the right side plane, I'm going to extrude in a symmetrical way, and you'll see what I mean. So extrude. This is my first extrude. 16. And instead of blind, I'm going symmetrical. So what you see, sorry about that, I accidentally selected that plane. Let's hide my other planes so you can see what's going on. It's going both directions. So it's splitting 16, so it's going front 8 and back 8. I'm going to reveal my sketch and start my next extrude. I'm going to extrude all of this material as one solid at 60. And again, I want to make this symmetric. So you can see it's a solid mass of material. Check. Then I'm going to hide my part real quick so I can select this plane to cut out the internal section. So I'm going to extrude, select these two, leave this. I'm going to bring my part back, change it to symmetric to check my dimensions. So the inside piece, I'm basically cutting away this material instead of building it up. Well, it's 60, subtract 15, subtract 15. So that's 30. And I want remove. Hide my sketch. Let's take a look at it here. Just want to double check something. Make sure this is 36. I did this slightly wrong because I did 36 plus 12. So to modify that or correct it, I'm going to reveal my sketch and I'm going to edit it. So you can see here, the 36 dimensions should actually be from the center point to the very right side. So I'm going to delete this and redimension from here to here. And watch, when I hit the check mark, my model should update. So that looks good. I'm going to right click my view cube, and now I'm going to take my screenshot and submit.